In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Facebook page recommendations so your page appears to people viewing similar pages. Turning on recommendations helps new audiences discover your business when they're browsing content that's related to what you offer. It's a quick setting, but it can make a real difference in reach and brand awareness. First, head to Settings on your Facebook business page. Make sure you're logged into the profile that manages the page and that you have the right permissions. On desktop, open Facebook, switch into your page profile, and look for settings in the left-hand menu or inside the professional dashboard. If your layout looks a little different, that's normal. Facebook updates the interface often, but the settings area will always be available for your page. Next, click the section called How People Find and Contact You. This area controls the ways people discover your page and how they get in touch. You might see it grouped near Privacy or Page Visibility options. Opening it gives you a focused set of controls that affect discoverability, so you're in the right place for this tweak. Now, toggle on. Allow your Facebook page to be recommended to people looking at similar pages. When this switches on, Facebook can include your page in Suggested For You modules, the Related Pages carousel, and other recommendation surfaces when someone is browsing businesses or topics like yours. If you change your mind later, you can return here and switch it off at any time. That's all you need to do. Once enabled, your page becomes eligible to appear alongside similar pages your potential customers are already exploring. While the feature itself is simple, a few best practices help it work even better. Keep your page category accurate so Facebook understands what you do. Make sure your page name, profile image, and cover photo clearly represent your brand. Fill out your About section with a concise description and up-to-date contact details, and keep your location and business hours current if you serve a local audience. Regular, high-quality posts and timely responses to messages also support stronger visibility signals over time. If you're using the Facebook mobile app, the path to settings and this option may look slightly different, but the setting name is the same, so you can search for it within your page settings if needed. Changes typically take effect quickly, though it can take a little time before recommendations show up widely. And that's it. You've enabled recommendations, making it easier for the right people to discover your page while they explore similar interests and businesses.